the OC police station of Kotomor sub-county, Afande Jimmy Okello was caught red-handed having extramarital affair with the wife to Mr. Okwel. Kotomor sub-county is located in Agawu district in northern Uganda. Agawu district is combined or is having a mixed tribe of both Lao and Acholi, which makes it one of the most inclusive districts. Now, the local community took concern and removed the gun immediately from this very man. The gun was removed and given to the LC1. Then the LC1 of Kotomor East handed it over to the Gisu of Kotomor sub-county. Now, the clan members of Mr. Okwel, who the wife belongs to, are demanding for 2 million shilling as a compensation of what the Acholi people call law, of which this man has agreed to. We don't know whether he agreed because he feared people were going to beat him or what. Another thing which is also concerning is he was caught in the barrack of the police with his wife. This is something that most of the people are saying portrays negative image about the police, and other policemen are also saying that this man has set a bad example which he needs to be dealt with accordingly.